Imagine being on a routine flight when suddenly another aircraft zooms in. Way too close. Sounds like an action movie, right? But this just happened in real life. In the South China Sea, tensions are running high. A Chinese Navy helicopter recently flew within just 3 meters of a Philippine patrol plane over Scarborough Shoal. The Philippine plane was on a routine surveillance mission. When this unexpected visitor showed up, the U.S. condemned these actions as reckless, urging China to resolve disputes peacefully. Want to stay updated on global news that matters? Subscribe now for more engaging stories and analysis from around the world.